Ashwagandha's popularity is increasing worldwide due to its impressive health benefits. Although it's commonly known for its benefits in women's health, it also offers numerous advantages for men's health. Ashwagandha reduces cortisol levels in the body, improves sleep quality, boosts testosterone levels, energy, strength, endurance, promotes muscle growth, and helps with food metabolism and weight management. Additionally, it lowers the risk of diabetes, improves joint health, cognitive function, memory, blood circulation, and cardiovascular health. Ashwagandha also helps in reducing anxiety, depression, and contributes to a better mood. Furthermore, it helps in improving male fertility and erectile dysfunction. When selecting an ashwagandha supplement for men, one should ensure that it contains at least 30% white analyte, which is the active ingredient responsible for its health benefits, and is manufactured by a reputable company. Ashwagandha is generally safe when consumed at the recommended dosage of 300 to 500 mg per day. It's essential to take it with meals, and the dose should be gradually increased as needed. Ashwagandha's effects usually start within a few weeks to a month, and it's recommended to consult a doctor before taking it, especially if one is on medication. The most common side effects include gastrointestinal discomfort, such as nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. Overall, ashwagandha offers remarkable health benefits to men, making it a valuable addition to their diet. If you're considering incorporating ashwagandha into your diet, it's important to note that it's not a miracle cure. It's simply a supplement that can aid in overall health and wellness. To see the best results, it's essential to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly. When it comes to choosing an ashwagandha supplement, it's crucial to do your research and choose a reputable brand. Look for a company that uses good manufacturing practices and has third-party testing to ensure quality and purity. It's also important to note that ashwagandha is not suitable for everyone. It may interact with certain medications, so it's crucial to talk to your doctor before taking it, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. In conclusion, ashwagandha offers numerous health benefits for men, including reducing stress, improving sleep quality, boosting testosterone levels, increasing energy, strength, and endurance, promoting muscle growth, and aiding weight management. It also improves joint health, cognitive function, memory, blood circulation, and cardiovascular health. It's important to choose a high-quality ashwagandha supplement and consume it at the recommended dosage to see the best results.